量词
Measure word.
Measure word. How do you say a pearl in Chinese?
一颗珍珠，一颗珍珠，一颗珍珠。
How do you say a group of girls in Chinese?
一组女生，一组女生，一组女生。
How do you say an oil lamp in Chinese?
一盏油灯，一盏油灯，一盏油灯。
How do you say a bedroom in Chinese?
一间卧室，一间卧室，一间卧室。
How do you say a legacy in Chinese?
一笔遗产，一笔遗产，一笔遗产。
How do you say a hospital in Chinese?
一所医院，一所医院，一所医院。
How do you say a couple in Chinese?
一对舞伴，一对舞伴，一对舞伴。
How do you say a match in Chinese?
一根火柴，一根火柴，一根火柴。
How do you say a pile of dead leaves in Chinese?
一堆枯叶，一堆枯叶，一堆枯叶。
How do you say a quilt in Chinese?
一幅被，一幅被，一幅被。
How do you say a flag in Chinese?
一面旗子，一面旗子，一面旗子。
How do you say a television in Chinese?
一台电视机，一台电视机，一台电视机。
How do you say a box of cookies in Chinese?
一盒饼干，一盒饼干，一盒饼干。
How do you say a green onion in Chinese?
一颗青葱，一颗青葱，一颗青葱。
How do you say a red packet in Chinese?
一封红包，一封红包，一封红包。
How do you say a plate of Chinese food in Chinese?
一盘中国菜，一盘中国菜，一盘中国菜。
How do you say a chess set in Chinese?
一副象棋，一副象棋，一副象棋。
How do you say a dark cloud in Chinese?
一团乌云，一团乌云，一团乌云。
How do you say a mushroom in Chinese?
一朵蘑菇，一朵蘑菇，一朵蘑菇。
How do you say a bunch of greens in Chinese?
一束青菜，一束青菜，一束青菜。
How do you say a learning in Chinese?
一门学问，一门学问，一门学问。
How do you say a lunch in Chinese?
一顿午餐，一顿午餐，一顿午餐。
How do you say a report in Chinese?
一份报告，一份报告，一份报告。
How do you say a pot of hot water in Chinese?
一壶热水，一壶热水，一壶热水。
How do you say a piano in Chinese?
一架钢琴，一架钢琴，一架钢琴。
How do you say a ring in Chinese?
一枚戒指，一枚戒指，一枚戒指。
How do you say a row of houses in Chinese?
一排房子，一排房子，一排房子。
How do you say a seed in Chinese?
一粒种子，一粒种子，一粒种子。
How do you say a bag of tea in Chinese?
一包茶叶，一包茶叶，一包茶叶。
How do you say a jar of candy in Chinese?
一罐糖果，一罐糖果，一罐糖果。
How do you say a coil of wire in Chinese?
一卷电线，一卷电线，一卷电线。
How do you say a screen in Chinese?
一扇屏风，一扇屏风，一扇屏风。
How do you say a box of apples in Chinese?
一箱苹果，一箱苹果，一箱苹果。
How do you say a drop of blood in Chinese?
一滴血，一滴血，一滴血。